What's up, guys? Sam James here from Barprints.co. We're here in the House of Rum at BCB Bar Convent 2019. I'm here with Wilson from Black Tears. How you doing, brother?
Nice to meet you, my man.
So tell us a little bit about Black Tears, what makes it so special. Just give us a little bit of information.
So my name is Wilson, and I'm on board raised in Cuba, and I'm representing the first Cuban Spiced Rum.
Okay.
That's Mexican unique, and we use 100% Cuban ingredients like cocoa, like coffee, and the cachucha pepper is everybody's well known in Cuba.
Okay.
And we are promoting this brand for all over the world. You can find it on Amazon everywhere you ask.
Tell us a little bit about the cachucha pepper. Did I say that right? Cachucha pepper?
Yeah. Cachucha pepper.
Do you have one that you can
Yeah, of course.
show us real quick? Thanks. So tell us a little bit about this pepper. It's indigenous to Cuba, right?
Yeah, it's endemic from Cuba. The people are scared when they see it because they think it's an habanero because it looks
Right.
right, but it doesn't. Just have the same structure of habanero, but without the spicy.
Right.
So it's really fruity, it's smoothie in some points, and
Right.
we use almost in everything in Cuba.
No, I was going to say because I'm Jamaican, it looks like a miniature Scotch bonnet pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you said it's not as spicy. You can take a bite.
Not
of
at
it.
all. You can buy it. Make a bite. What do you think?
It has all the flavor of a Scotch bonnet pepper without the heat.
Yeah, without the heat. 100% agree.
Awesome. All right. Well, tell us where can people find more information about Black Tears, and what's this bottle right here?
This one here is a Progressiva of Villa. It's a new rum we are developing and presenting here in the BCB. They have an age rum between 11 and 15 years. It's smoothie, easy to drink, and we are waiting for have the same acceptation as the Black Tears. This is a really good rum.
Awesome. And if people want to find out more information, what markets it's available, that kind of thing, your Instagram, let us know how people can reach you.
Of course. We have the Instagram of the Vigía La Progresiva 13 and Black Tears on Instagram too.
Okay.
It's available to buy on Amazon everywhere.
Okay. Perfect. Well, thanks a lot, Wilson. Appreciate your time. Thanks for talking to us. Cheers, everyone.